like $6. And then they get the little bracket. You need to shelf. Put it right on the back of the toilet, huh? Or on the side by the sink.
Put some in different spots.
Maybe put it on the side by the sink. Not at head level, so that way you won't bump your head. Just put it like right there. You can set the tissue paper for Tuesday.
We'll do it Monday. Sunday, I'm out. We all Sunday. Both of us are. We'll go out there early. Make it a Sunday project.
Yeah, you can go. Stop that. Stop.
Real shucks get the death act studio. X that look at shorty, she a little cutie though. The way she shake it make me wanna get all in the booty yo. Top hair stress at the banging misses and videos. While I make my feet like we up in the freak shows. Hit you with the shit, make you feel it all in your toes. Hot got all my people in red clothes. Down on my metaphors when I formulate my flows. If you don't know, you mustn't with lyrical player pros. Like that. You wanna party with me? Let me see just what you got for me. Put all your hands on my eyes to see. Straight buck wildin' in the place to be. If you really wanna party with me, let me see just what you got for me. Put all your hands on my eyes to see. Straight buck wildin' in the place to be. If you really wanna party with me, ain't all we trust. Yo, it's a must that you heard of us, yo, we murder us. A lot of people is wondering and they curious. I mean, in my unit, do it is so mysterious. Furious, all of my people is serious. Shook others be walking around fearing us. Front, baby, like you don't wanna be hearing us. Gotta listen to Harry, he'll be playing us. 30 times a day to make you delirious. Damaging everything all up in your area. Yo, it's funny how all the chickens be always serving us. All up in between their ass when they wanna carry us. Get you good, then I hit them off with the alias. Various chickens, they wanna marry us. Yo, it's flip